November 16, 2025, Sunday. Ang beeper mo, old school or your text messages, or your cell phone, or different gadgets, they keep on alerting you. And they happen during the most inconvenient time while you're sleeping, and somehow they cause quarrel and conflict within your workplace, or conflict with your spouse or partner because of this person who got your number somehow and always at it. There's always something to talk about, there's always something to update. So what do you do? Na-experience mo na ba yan? Ikaw ba yung tinawagan o ikaw yung tumawag? At the most, like, meron bang message na hindi makapaghintay? Like, kailangan tonight na, kailangan notwithstanding the time zone difference, kailangan mo tumawag, kailangan mo maiparating yung iyong mensahe. So, ikaw yung tumawag, or ikaw yung nag-chat, nag-DM, or ikaw yung sa'yo nag-DM, you're the one who's receiving the messages. So what do you do?